Here is the improved version of my lifting mechanism from scissor jack lifter to this. This underneath is the drawer slider or guide roller type, and then on top is these blocks of wood where I embedded a nut inside these two blocks, and on top is the this block wood, another block for these two connecting rod or pieces of wood, which should be pushing our circular saw forward and up. And at the back is our turning wheel, where our mechanical force will come from, and with it is our threaded rod. So when I push, or when I turn this wheel to the right, and to the left, there you go, the improved version of our lifting mechanism. Thank you for watching.